But anyway, so I came home, started doing my homework, and I became a notary. And I started really loving everything I was learning. And I told Jeffrey, my husband, I said, I think I want to start a YouTube channel. And he was like, I don't think so. I don't know about that. So anyway, he let me do it. When I say let, I say loosely because we've been married a long time. And most of the time when I want to do something, he's okay with it. So when he does have a hesitation about something, I think about it twice. I'm like, okay, why does he not want me to do it? So in his world, being a little older, we're thinking, and I agree with him, people can be cruel, people can talk about you. You question yourself. I even wrote a book about it. Do I look good enough? Some people are thinner, some people have longer hair, some people have they weaves, and I wear my natural hair, and I have my flowers, I wear a lot of color, I'm larger. I mean, you got a lot of things that you think about when you are stepping out into this kind of space. But anyway, I digress. So people start asking me about on my channel. They was like, hey, can you be my mentor? Can you be my mentor? They asked for years. And I was like, no, I don't do mentorship. I said, but I can just give you a couple of answers here and there. And then people started still asking even more. So I started writing courses. So the courses were doing very well. So, and I still sell individual courses. So if you don't want mentorship, it's not a big deal. If you just want to look at the courses, for the $47 a month, you have at it. Because some people feel bad. They say, well, I don't want the mentorship. I don't want to talk to people. I'm shy. I'm this, I'm whatever. But I do want to watch the videos. You're more than welcome to watch the videos without taking full advantage. Now, if you really are serious about the business, of course, I want you to come to the session so you can really learn, okay? And you're going to learn either way, but it's something about talking to people like-minded that helps you to get to the next level, okay? Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. So anyway, so he was like, so I started my channel. People start asking me questions. I start answering them. I start writing courses, and the courses were selling very well. Okay. And then I got to thinking, I had a few people that was like, well, Miss Kimmi, I really want to do your training, but I've already spent thousands somewhere else. One, that's the first thing I always hear. So by the time they find us, they found all the big people that's on TikTok, whatever. I'm not knocking anyone's training, but they find them and they're not getting what they need, because I believe in the foundation. So that's what we teach over here, foundation. As you can see, I still teach you how to grow your business. I got wedding officiant, remote line, everything you need, we got it, okay? Literally everything you need. And I just wrote out my tax course today. If you did not, so I'm going to do a full video on that in a moment. That's why I'm wearing green with the money. But you guys heard it here first. So even the tax course is already uploaded and included in the $47 per month. So courses we're selling, we were doing okay. Okay. So then, like I said, a few people were like, well, I really want to take your training. I already spent $5,000 over here, $4,000 here, $3,000, whatever. And I was like, you know what can I do? So I said, I'll let people have access to my library and my course library, just mine, not Alexis and Angela's. And I rolled that out and it went amazing. I started that back in July. Okay. So we had another mentorship that ran from March to July. That was just strictly mentorship. It didn't include any of the courses or anything. So I wrote out my personal collection in July, where I gave everyone access just to the courses for $39.99. And the people went crazy. They was like, what? Only $39.99? So they were loving just having access to the course. Again, they didn't even have access to me at that time. It was just watching the courses. So they was like, cool. And some people still buy the individual. Okay, so you still have that option. You can buy individual or, take advantage of the library, because they want to own it. They want to take it, own it, become one with it, whatever. So then when I rolled that out in July, I talked to my husband. I said, I really want to add a live component to it. But I didn't know what that would look like because I'm still working. As you can see, I'm all in knots about this signing here that they're asking me for this number. And I'm sitting here like, you don't have to track your number. And it's funny because I can't find it right now on my phone as I was looking. Typically I can. I remember the signing very well though. They must have lost the package. So anyway, I digress. So I decided to offer a live component. So I said, well, what is that going to look like? Because I still have my own signings to do. So what I decided to do was offer 1 week, 1 day per week training on some topic. And it's something either to grow the business or whatever. And then the first 15 minutes of sessions are like that. And then the rest of it, sometimes it could be longer depending on how much everybody want to talk. And then the last piece of it, we do coaching. And that could be coaching something you learned in the courses. It could be coaching on your business, your Google page, whatever you want to talk about, everybody talking. So there's replays available if you can't make the sessions. They're typically an hour. When I run them, they typically run about 90 minutes because, you know, your girl likes to talk. So, but they run about an hour, 90, an hour and a half rather. So that's how everything came about. So now you get everything. So then, last piece. So I brought Angela and Alexis on board with me. So the price went up a little bit to $47. That was in October. And they came on. Angela's apostille course is included too. Those of you who want to learn apostilles, it's included. You want to learn wedding officiant, it's included. You want to learn loan signing, Alexis brought over her loan signing course to the library, as well as her Google My Business course is in there too. So when I say we got you covered from A to Z, we really do. So I'm look forward to my marketing course, which is coming probably by December, because I got to work on it. You know, that'll be my next project, is my marketing course. But it's $47 a month. You can cancel at any time. Okay. So let me get some of your questions, and let's see here. We have Brittany says, what a steal. LOL. Thank you for the info. Yes, Brittany, I know it is. And a lot of people say, well, how can you even afford to do that? Again, because we think volume. Even I was talking about this live yesterday in your business. I want you to get in the habit of thinking volume. You know, when you're pricing your services, don't try to make all your money on one client. Think, okay, what if I have 15 clients this month? You know, and that's why I say take some of the lower paying jobs. If you take a few of the lower paying jobs that people are leaving on the table, you're going to be okay. Jody's in the program. Hey, Jody. Jody says Miss Kimmi is the best. You will learn so much. There's a lot of training in the program. Thank you, Jody. And there is. And it's not designed to have a lot so you could just keep paying for mentorship forever, but it's just a lot to learn. Again, we have 14. It might be 14 courses. I said 15 because I was looking at that thumbnail, but I think it's off one. So it might be 14 courses. So if it's not 15, it will be soon because I got to do that marketing, all about marketing. So what questions can I answer for you all today? I was going to hang out about 30 minutes because I have another appointment and I need to go figure out what's going on with this tracking number. That is really upsetting me about this tracking number, guys. If you couldn't tell, because I don't like, first of all, did they lose the package? And then secondly, I typically keep up with tracking numbers all the time. And in this case, this one, I'm wondering, did I even take a picture of it? I'm praying I did. I'm going to have to look at it in a moment because I have several here. One of these is his tracking number. I just need to see which one. What time was this job? Anyway, I'm not going to hold y'all while I look at it because I have a few. But what I always do, and I pray I did it with him, is I always take a picture of the tracking number. And I hope this is it. Anyway, I have to look at it in a minute. So any questions you all have for me? Again, if you don't have a dual tray printer, I hope I've given you a workaround for that. Please don't hesitate to try the program. It's only $47. I guarantee that you will be pleased. I see we have a couple more people that just joined. Any questions you all have? If not, I am going to get ready to head out so I can go handle my problematic client. I don't like to get stuff like that, guys. And again, this might be the one time I don't have the tracking number, and that's gonna tick me off. Sorry, if I don't have it. So, all right. Anyway, I'm gonna go handle this problem. Anyway, guys, I look forward to seeing you guys over in training. I'm wishing you much success, and it's been my pleasure. Okay, until next time, Notary Life with Kimmi. Bye.